Let's look at some examples using what we found about principal and interest. Recall that we found the amount owed on a P0 dollar loan for T years with interest rate R compounded N times per year is given by P of T equals P0 times 1 plus R over N to the N times T. And we found that if we compound continuously, that is, if N goes to infinity, then P of T equals P0 times e to the RT. In our first example, let's suppose that we take out $20,000 in student loans to graduate college. Bank A offers a 6% interest rate compounded quarterly, in other words, 4 times per year, and Bank B offers a 5.75% interest rate compounded continuously. Which bank would you choose? Well, how can we decide? Let's find out which one you would owe more money to after 1 year. For Bank A, we would use the model P of T equals P0 times 1 plus R over N to the N times T. The amount we would owe after 1 year is given by $20,000, the amount we borrowed, times 1 plus 0.06, our interest rate, divided by 4, all to the 4 times 1. Note that quarterly means we compound 4 times per year. Evaluating this, we get that P of 1 equals $21,227.27. What about Bank B? With Bank B, we would use the model P of T equals P0 times e to the RT because we are compounding continuously. For Bank B, P of 1 equals $20,000 times e to the 0.0575, which is 5.75%, times 1. Which means that P of 1 equals $21,183.71. By choosing Bank B, you would have to repay less money. In example 2, let's try to understand a common ad. Suppose you run a furniture store that offers a couch for $2,000 with no interest paid if paid in full in 1 year. But what does that asterisk mean? If it's not paid in full, then interest must be paid on the full purchase price, $2,000, for the entire year at 27.99% compounded monthly, as credit cards often are. So how much more money will our store make on each customer that does not pay their account off in full in 1 year? To figure this out, we need to use the model P of T equals P0 times 1 plus R over N to the NT. With P0 being 2,000, T being 1 for the entire year, R being 27.99%, and N being 12 because we compound monthly. So P of 1 equals 2,000 times 1 plus 0.2799 divided by 12, all to the 12 times 1. Evaluating this, we get $2,637.50. Since the first $2,000 was the cost of the couch, the store makes an extra $637.50 on each customer who does not pay their account in full in a year. Let's take this example further. Suppose you run a chain of furniture stores that does $5 million in sales each year on customers that do not pay off their account in full by the end of the year. How much money will your store make in interest? To find the solution, again we use the model P of T equals P0 times 1 plus R over N to the NT. The only difference here is that our original amount is $5 million in total sales instead of $2,000 for the single couch. Computing P of 1, we get $5 million times 1 plus 0.2799 divided by 12 all to the 12 times 1, which comes out to $6,593,758.15. Since the first $5 million was the purchase cost of the furniture, the store roughly makes an extra $1.6 million in interest on customers who do not pay their account in full in a year. This is why large stores and car dealerships offer their own financing payment plans.